Meet Jasmine. Her life was great before Corona, but now, she's unhappy. Since the coronavirus, she's been having trouble with her finances. Unfortunately, she lost her job, is behind on her bills, and doesn't know what to do. That was until she discovered she could work from home with her virtual assistant, Ava the TextBot. She connects people to her virtual assistant. They see Ava in action and buy online. When they buy, she gets paid immediately. $100 commissions via Venmo or PayPal. Collecting unemployment is okay, but $100 commissions rock. Now Jasmine is truly happy. She works when she wants. Her bills are paid. She's having fun. Want more money now? Share a phone number. It's easy. Get all the details. Call Ava at 225-427-1046 or visit medianui.com. Ava.